Greetings everyone. My name is SL McPhaul. I will be demonstrating reverse engineering using Tableau visualization for my research method and business course. Go into Makeover Mondays Gallery Year 2020, Week 4. I'll be using Bridges to Prosperity, turning rural isolation into connection in Rwanda, created by Andy Crabell. Before we get started, I would like to show you my end product with his original product. On this side is my product that I will show the map of Rwanda and its provinces and the city. Over here will be the bar graph showing the number of bridges built by the end of that year. Here you will be able to calculate and see that there were 68 bridges built by the end of the year. It may not look like his, only because he has accumulated the number of bridges by the year. For example, by the end of 2013, 5 bridges was already accumulated and built. In mine, you will have to add 2 plus 3 will give you at the end of 2013, 5. But this shows that in the year 2013, 3 bridges were built. I downloaded the bridges data set onto an Excel sheet. This is what my Excel sheet looks like. It shows the country, the province, the year that the bridges were built, the stages, the individual directly served, GPS longitude and latitude information. Let's get started. I'm going to click onto Tableau icon. Click more. Select my data set. Drag sheet 2 with the data information. As you can see, all the information has changed and put into after I extract, and everything is listed the way I want it. Here I can rename the sheet. I'm going to name it map. In the columns and row section, I will place the latitude and the longitude. In the filter section, I will place the measure name and the province. Okay, select all, apply, okay. Apply all, okay. Here are the colors, labels, and details. These are the dimensions. These are the measurements. I'm going to go and fill them in. There we have a map. Now to see more information clearly, go to Mark Labels, Always. This will show you the map of Rwanda, the number of people served. We can also change the color of the border. I'm going to pick a pretty hot pink. To view the data information, I went to Analyze, View Data, Map, and it will show you the information extracted for this map. We concluded with the map. Let's go to the bar chart to show the 68 bridges. Okay, likewise in the filter area, we're going to place the measure name, plus apply, and okay. In the column section, I'm going to put year, sheet 2 in the row area. Now you're starting to see a bar chart to demonstrate the number of bridges that were built. I'm going to hide the year in the Y and the axis. I'm just going to select this and delete it because it doesn't look like his. I'm press none for the ticker marks and exit out. Here I'm going to press label, show markings. This will show the number of markings, and we can also change the color to look identical. This chart here is to show 68 bridges built by the end of each year. Likewise, I went into Analyze, View Data, and you will see the number of bridges built at the end of that year. I would like to revisit the map. For me to get this view of the map, I went into Map and I chose the light version. So lastly, we're going to fill in the information to show the number of individuals served. Measure, apply, okay, year, there we go, change the color, label, change, hide that, delete the access name, change the ticker to none, X out, and this will show you the number of individuals that were served. Again, you can go to Analyze, go to Analyze, View Data, and it will give you the information about the number of people served at the end of each year. You can always darken and change your title. You can also add in your work captions, and you can read and write what was said during this display. I hope you found my work interesting, and I hope that I was able to help you navigate Tableau to be able to reverse engineer someone else's work. And I give credit to Makeover Monday, and I also give credit to Andy Bell. Thank you so much, and have a good day.